Behind the design, shell length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit footwear without a removable insole, where space would be an issue. The cover was selected for a shank-independent orthotic shell material to fit footwear without a removable insole. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear and allow transfer to multiple pairs of shoes. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the shell length option in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A shell length cover runs the length of a 3/4 shell. Its anterior edge ends just behind the metatarsals. It is recommended for shoes with, but most commonly without, a full-length removable insole. It also replaces part of the shoe insole space, is generally placed on top of a flat shoe insole, protects part of the plantar foot ending just behind the metatarsal heads, and takes up a reduced space in the shoe, therefore giving the maximum ability to change between shoes. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable in orthotic design. The successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance with their orthotic therapy. Footwear styles like the one pictured, without a removable insole, can be a challenge to fit and may benefit from low bulk designs including a shell length cover.